which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 4. Category 5. Rooms category 7. Room category 8. Room category 9. Room category 10. Hence, we talk about the categories of this hotel, so you can see on the screen. Hotels will be required to visit the URT at check-in. Location of the hotel is first class hotels. Love to enjoy the surroundings. Amenities of rooms are available online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various rate plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. To go to the more details, below the link in description. If you are facing this hotel, so you can tell us by the If you have already stayed in this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thanks for watching the video. There are so friends from